In an impulse with an extended wave 1, this is what we're looking for, a 5-wave impulsive move to the downside, after which we want to see a 3-wave corrective structure, and in this particular impulse, wave 1 is the longest, strongest and most impulsive wave with the highest amount of volume. Wave 3 is shorter than wave 1 and therefore wave 5 has to be shorter than wave 3 because the rules apply that wave 3 is not allowed to be the shortest wave in an impulsive structure, and we also don't want to see overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. Because wave 3 is not allowed to be the shortest, but with an extended wave 1, wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, 5 has to be shorter than wave 3, and the invalidation is therefore the 1-to-1 trend-based sub-extension taken from the low to the high of 3 to the low of wave 4. The common target area for your wave 2 in this case is the 0.236 to the 0.382 Fibonacci taken from the low to the high of wave 1. The 0.5 to the 0.618 is uncommon. For a wave 4, the common target area is the 0.236 to the 0.382 with the 0.5 being uncommon, and the common target area for a wave 5 in an impulse with an extended wave 1 is a trend-based sub-extension from the low to the high of 1 to the low of wave 2, toggle on the 618 and the 786. Until your impulse is finished, the invalidation is also priced taking the low of wave 1. If we look at Fib-time, then this wave 2 most commonly is ending after the 0.382 Fib-time taken from the low to the high of this wave 1, and the moment wave 2 continues to range till the 4 or the 5 Fib-time, that is when it significantly reduces probabilities that what you're looking for here is a wave 2. We also want to compare wave 4 with wave 2 in time, so we take a Fib-time from the start to the end of 2 to the end of wave 3, comparing wave 2 with wave 4 in time, and it is most common in an impulse, in any impulse, for wave 4 to be longer than wave 2. Therefore, most commonly, wave 4 is ending after the 1 Fib-time, but the minimum requirement would usually be the 0.382 because finishing any structure before the 0.382 would be very rare. Then we're looking for a wave 5 towards the upside, but because wave 1 is extended, we in this scenario don't really compare wave 1 and wave 5 in time compared to a normal regular impulse where wave 3 is the extended structure. If we then look at the volume, then the highest amount of volume in this case is in a wave 1. Then we have a corrective structure in a wave 2, a push to the upside in a wave 3, generally on lower volume than a wave 4, and finally wave 5, which tends to be lower volume than wave 3. Because wave 1 is extended, the highest amount of volume is commonly in that wave 1 over here, and then wave 3 and wave 5 become shorter wave structures, which then means the volume kind of follows the structures. We make higher highs on price but lower highs on volume. This is everything that you need to know about an impulse with an extended wave 1. If there are any questions, make sure to write me in the group.